Hello and welcome to another AIC Productions video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a Samsung Galaxy On5. I picked this phone up for my wife to use. She's been using a Windows phone that she absolutely loves for the last little while. But unfortunately, with all Windows phones, there just isn't the app support that she needs or wants. Which is real unfortunate because otherwise the phone is an excellent phone. And so she's looking to get an Android phone. And this one was about $100 at Walmart. Obviously prices vary depending on where you're at and where you're shopping, but I just happened to be there and saw this one, so I thought I'd pick it up for her. So I'm just going to unbox it, show you what it looks like. Now all these T-Mobile branded phones all have a very similar packaging to them, come with very similar accessories. I don't know if they make that agreement with the manufacturer, but it's covered in this film. I'll pull that off here in a second. It obviously doesn't have the battery in it. It's way too light to have a battery in it right now. Alright, and there's a SIM card. There's a return label. There's a power cord or power brick and USB cord. Samsung always has nice power cords. And there is the battery. I do appreciate it being a removable battery. That's something a lot of manufacturers are getting away from. Oftentimes there's a little dimple that you can stick your fingernail in to remove the back. Go ahead and remove the film. I can't remove that one because it's stuck around it. There's that dimple as mentioned. Now the back is plastic. It kind of has like a faux leather grain in it. Feels kind of nice, but it looks like it might scratch easily. Go ahead and move this film now too. Alright, so it looks like you have the slot for your micro SD on top of your SIM card. I'm not going to go ahead and insert a SIM card now because it's not going to be for me. Go ahead and grab the battery out and power it on. Just seeing if this tells how big the battery is. Yeah, it's a 2600 milliamp hour. Which is decent size. It's not the biggest. Prefer if it was a 3000. Back just snaps right back on again. I love peeling that off. I think most people do. Construction wise, this reminds me of my Galaxy S4 a lot, just the overall feel of it. Still powering up here. Looks like you might need to stick that bottom pins in first. Sometimes some of these phones have that where you have to stick one side in first, and it's usually the side the opposite of where you pull the tab. It wasn't sitting quite flush there. Much better. Let's go ahead and English, start Wi-Fi, leave that off right now. Let's skip anyways. So just general impressions. Screen looks good. We're not in Shanghai. We're -7 here where I'm at in Arizona. Mountain Standard Time, Phoenix. Well, it's just because I'm not connected to the internet. It is October 25th. And it is 9:14. Say 9:15 is close enough. I'll be resetting this so I'm not really going through the settings here. Alright. Let's go to settings here. So this phone is running Android 6.0.1. Now it's not connected to the internet, so I don't know if there's any updates out of the box for it. But I believe that is the latest version available. I know there's, 7.0 that's available, but that's not actually available yet. It's only available for certain phones. The UI seems pretty quick, going through menus pretty quick. The screen's actually quite nice on it. It's better than I was expecting it to be for this price point, so I'm trying to keep it in the camera here. Now this does have Samsung's software over the stock Android, which is alright. Like I said, I've had an S4 in the past, and I liked it on my S4 just fine. It seemed pretty quick. I'll have to go through, install some apps, give it a whirl, and follow up with you. But that was an unboxing of the Galaxy On5. Thank you for watching.